Okay, good morning, students. Today we will do some activities related to the chapter Mumbai Musicians. I think chapter is clear to you. Please mute yourself. The chapter is about a donkey whose name is Gupu, and he used to work in a farmer's house. And then when he is old and tired, the farmer gave him a sack of corn, and farmer told him to go around the world. He decided to go to Mumbai to be a musician, but on the way he met with a dog, Dupu, cat, Furry, and a cock, cuckoo. Okay, and then they reached a house with a light. The people inside the house were scared because when he sang, when all the animals sang, they saw a table of food inside the house. They were very hungry and tired. They tried to sing a song for the people, but when they sang, the people inside the house were scared and they thought the ghosts are there to scare them, so they ran out of the house as fast as they could. Okay, so this is a story in brief. Okay, whenever your teacher tells you to tell the story in brief, so this is the way. Okay, I have told you the story in brief. I have told you each and everything within these many lines. Okay, so please, whenever your teacher asks you to tell the story in brief, so this is the way, okay, to tell the story in brief. Now no one can spoil the screen because I have done the setting like this. Okay, students, now I had told you that on page number 134 one activity is there. You have to write the opposite pronouns. Okay, in the previous lecture, in the previous class, I had told you that you have to find the opposite gender for these words. Okay, so what are the opposite genders, bache? What is gender? Gender means male or female. Okay, gender means male or female. Okay, like the gender of father is, opposite gender of father is mother. Okay, so in the same category, what is male and what is female? If female is given, you have to write male. If male is given, you have to write फीमेल. ओके, जेंडर मीन्स मेल या फीमेल होता है. अगर मेल दिया है तो आपको उसको ऑपोजिट फीमेल ऑपोजिट जेंडर क्या होता है आपको वो लिखना है. ओके, यू हैव टू टेल दैट. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the slides and you people will write the answers in the chat box. Yes, and one, you will write the answer only for that word which I am going to speak. So students, now for the first word is mother. So write the opposite gender for the word mother. Yes, father. Very nice. Josna, Mannat Batra, Avleen, Abhinav, Parmar, Harshvine. All participants are active. Very nice. Simarpreet, Prablin, very nice. Father, father. Very nice. Josna Mishra, father.
मम्मा कहाँ दादी भैया
Arush, Gitansh, yes. Gavneet, very nice. Very nice. And the second word is uncle. Uncle, aunt, very nice. Not auntie. Someone has written auntie. It's the proper word is aunt. A-U-N-T, aunt. Very nice. Very nice. The original word is aunt. Very nice. Aunt, very nice. Everyone is writing very nice. Aunt, very good of you. Means you are quite clear about the concept opposite gender. Very nice. Good. That's good of you. Okay. The third word is line. The third word is line. Lioness. Very nice. Very nice. Beta, it's line, not loin. जो बच्चे loin बोलते हैं ना, that is wrong. It's line. Okay. Line, lioness. Very nice. Very nice, Mannat. Yes, Jyotsna Mishra Lioness. Simarpreet. Very nice. Okay, very nice. That's good. Then the fourth word is king. Write the opposite gender of king. King, queen, queen. Very nice. क्यों नहीं, queen भी नहीं. क्वीन, हल्की से व की साउंड हल्का सा टच करना है, जस्ट टच इट, क्वीन. Okay, very nice, queen, queen. Okay, and it's Q, not cow. Some students they say cow. No, it's Q. U double E and queen, queen. Very nice, queen. Very nice. Okay, the next word is man. Write the opposite gender for man. Man, woman, woman. Very nice, woman. Very nice, woman, women, women. Beta, women, women, women. Okay. WOOMAN, women. और W नहीं होता, it's W. Okay, it's never like this. W नहीं बोलना है.
recording.
W. WOMAN. MAN, then WOMAN. Women is the opposite gender for.
Excuse me, ma'am.
If men are there, if men MEN is there, then you will write WOMEN, women. Okay, then you will write women. Okay, now
Excuse me, ma'am.
grandfather. So write the beta. Clear your queries after this or write in chat box. Okay, don't disturb in between. Okay, grandfather. It's grandmother. Very nice, very nice. Okay, grandfather, grandmother. Very nice. Very nice. Grandmother. That's very good. That's very good. Okay. Beta, see this. Gavneet Singh. See the spelling of woman. This is wrong, bache. This is wrong. And grandmother, beta, please. These two words. These two things are not separate. You have written grand separately, mother separately. No, this is a single word. This is a single word, bache. This is a single word. Okay. Not the grand different and mother different. Not like this. As I have written one single word, grandfather. Okay, and it should be grandmother. It is a single word. Don't write it separately. Okay, okay, students. Now I am going to one more word which is not there in this slide. That word is grandson. Grandson. Yes, grandson. What is the opposite gender of grandson? I want to see. I want to see. Yes, granddaughter. Yes, granddaughter. Very nice.
Granddaughter.
Very nice. Granddaughter. Granddaughter. That's good. That's good.
Granddaughter.
That's good. Okay, one more word I have thought of. Yes, one word is there. Cow. What is the opposite gender of cow? Can you tell me? What is the opposite gender of cow? COW, cow. What is the opposite gender of cow? Lion ka opposite. Lion ka opposite, lioness. Okay. The opposite of lion is lioness. Okay. I'm going to write ox. Very nice. Bull or ox. That's right. Okay. If it's not clear to you, I'm going to write this. Write here the answer for mother. Father. Yes. Father. For mother it's father. From uncle it's aunt. Beta, those words I have written with automatically the capital letters come. I don't know. It's in setting and I forgot to remove these capital letters. No issue. Yes. Because whenever we write any word in English, it always start with small letter. Okay. When single word is written. And when any special name is there, then to. Yes, Linus. Are you able to see, bache? Yes, king, queen. What this letter is? Letter Q. It's Q, not cow. It's Q, Q. Okay. Man, woman. WOMAN. Okay, then grandfather, grandmother. Yes, it's grandmother. Very nice of you.
Grandmother.
Okay, very nice. Yes. So, friends, these are the opposite genders. Now I'm going to show you the second slide. Now I will check. Now this way I will check whether you have read the chapter thoroughly or not, and your concepts about special names is clear or not. Not. Okay. Find the special names given in the chapter. Find the special name. Yes, special name given in the chapter.
Good.
Is it visible? Is it visible? Is the slide visible to you? Yes, is it visible? Students, find the special names given in the chapter. Okay, beta, whenever you write the special names always start with capital letters and have the habit of have the habit of writing the capital letter, special names with capital letters. Whenever you write, even in the chat box, start special names with capital letters. Don't be in hurry. I am here, you are there. So don't be in hurry कि okay मैं फटाफट से लिख के first number पे आ जाऊंगा. Please have the habit of this. This way you will never have the habit of writing the special names with capital letters. So in the chat box also, please, I want these names with capital letters because special names always start with capital letters. Gupu, Dupu, Furry, Cuckoo. Okay, Cuckoo. Beta, please, Jyotsna Mishra, see the spelling of cuckoo, no problem. You may face the problem while writing in the chat box, but uh, have the practice of this. Okay. Gupu, Dupu, Furry. Should be capital, Krishika. D should be capital. Mumbai, Keta Narang, very nice. Mumbai, Kuku Dupu, very nice. Avleen Kaur, your first letters of every word is small. So this is a wrong way. You have to write with capital. Okay, you have to write with capital letters. Okay, yes, yes, very nice. Mumbai, Gupu. That's good. Gupu, Dupu, Furry, Mumbai, Cuckoo. Very nice. Okay. Now, students, I am going to show you the next slide. So, next slide is, first of all, I will write the answers of this. Okay. I will write the answers of this. Yes. The names are, first of all, which names come in the starting of chapter? कौन सा name आता है? Gupu. Okay, it's
Gupu.
Gupu. Okay, then Gupu met with Dupu.
Dupu.
Yes. He met
Dupu.
with Dupu the dog. Okay. Then both of them, Gupu and Dupu, met with a cat.
Furry.
Yes,
Furry.
very nice.
Cat.
Very nice.
Furry. Cat. Furry.
These three animals met with
Cuckoo.
a cock named Cuckoo. And it starts with C. C-U-C-K-O-O. Double O. O-O.
Cock.
Cuckoo.
Mumbai.
Yes. Then
Mumbai.
O is for
Mumbai.
Beta,
Mumbai.
mute yourself.
Mumbai. Mumbai. Mumbai.
Sorry, I'm not going to show my screen now. I will stop sharing the screen like this. I am there to tell you. Okay, just listen me. I'm not able to see you. Okay, so then 4 of animals decided to go to Mumbai. Yes, it's Mumbai. So students, these are the special names which are there in the chapter. Means the concept of special name is very much clear to you. That's very good of you. The concept is very much clear to you. I'm very happy that these grammar concepts are clear to you. That's good of you. So now let's move on to the next slide. Next activity, activity number 3. Now I will see. In the last lecture, I had told you what are adjective or describing words. First, tell me in the chat box, write in the chat box, what are describing words? I had told you describing words. I have told you what are describing words in the last lecture, in the previous class. जो मैंने पिछली बार क्लास ली थी उसमें आपसे पूछा था कि ओके टेल आई हैड एक्सप्लेन सॉरी कि डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स क्या होते हैं. सो राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स. चलिए मेरे को लिख के बताइए. आई वांट टू सी किसने लर्न करके रखा है, किसने ध्यान दिया है मेरी बात पे. यस आई नो हंग्री इज डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड, बट हाँ मैंने एक स्पेशल चीज बोली थी. नो एक्शन जयंती, नो. Describing words tell about a noun or very nice. Simarpreet, you are very much near quality. Very nice. In first standard, you will in second standard you will do only this type of describing word. Quality के बारे में जो बताते हैं noun या pronoun की. Other अब जैसे जैसे आप बड़ी क्लासेस में जाओगे, you will go in the higher classes, you will come about the more concept of these describing words. Okay, yes, not action words, Arush. It's the words which tells about the something about a noun or pronoun. And in second standard you will do only the quality, adjective of quality. Okay, very nice. Okay, so you have to find out any 3 adjectives from the chapter. Prabin Kaur, here in the chapter, scare is not an adjective. Here, scare is a verb. Scare is a verb.
लगे
Heavy snakes नहीं बेटे, heavy sacks. Gunveer Kaur, Gunveen. Snakes नहीं बेटे, sacks. Quality, sack, yes. Quality. Okay, Harsh. चलिए अब बताइए. Delicious, Prabin Kaur, delicious, very nice. Darshil, heavy, very nice, very good of you. Heavy adjective, very nice. Hungry is also adjective, very nice. Gunnar, very nice, Gunnar. Yes. Abhinav, hungry. Simarpreet, hungry. Dinesh Channa, yes. Dusty. Yes, smiled. Mannat Batra, smiled is not an adjective. It's a verb. It's a verb. Smiled is a verb. Small, very nice. Simarpreet, small is there. Dusty is there. Very nice.
दादी
Big. Yes, Janti. Beta, yes, Rishti Bedi, do you want to ask something? Yes, bache, big, yes, big or small, yes. Very nice. Better write in chat box if you have any query. Yes, student. So, students, these were the describing words which we have found in the chapter. These describing words are there. And I am very happy that you are clear about this concept, that describing words. Very nice of you. That's good of you. Now I am going to ask you some extra questions which are not there in the slide. I want you people to write that. Please write the adjective.
कोई बात समझी भैया
Write the adjective used for गुपू. गुपू के लिए कौन सा adjective use किया गया? The adjectives used for gupu. Adjectives used for gupu, only for gupu. Old, very nice. Ekvir, very nice. Old. He is very old. Old, only one.
old
Only one adjective words is used for gupu. Only one. The farmer, what did the farmer tell him? The farmer tell him that he is very old and tired. He is very old and tired. This word was there na? Old and tired. Okay?
ma'am week
Yes. Weak is also there. Equals to weak.
ma'am week
You are a good. Good is also there. You are a good donkey. Good is also.
ma'am good donkey
Yes. Good is also there. Good is also there. Okay. So students, now we will discuss the back exercise which is posted today, and this is the back exercise related to this chapter, the Mumbai musician. So in the previous lecture, in the previous class, the class on Saturday, I had given you this page to solve. Okay, now I think you all must have solved this page. Now let's discuss this and just check whether you have done it in right way or not. Okay, so first of all, blanks were there, fill in the blanks. Part A is there. So here you had to fill the blanks. The first blank is the name of the donkey was. What was the name of the
The
donkey?
name of donkey
Just,
was
beta, please mute yourself.
Gopu.
Just check. Just check it whether you have written
Go-
right or wrong. The name of the donkey was Gupu. Just
Gopu.
just tally the answers. Okay, just check the answers and put a tick or cross whatever the problem is. If it's right, then put a tick. It's wrong, then put a cross. And later on, you can write the correct option, correct answer. Okay, in front of that, just put a cross, circle that, and write the correct answer after this. Okay, so number 2 is donkey carried many heavy sacks. Sacks मतलब बोरियां. ठीक है, carried मतलब पकड़ता, कैरी करके अपनी बैग पे कैरी करता था. ओके, उठाता था. So donkey carried many heavy sacks of कौन सी, sugar, corn and sugar cane. Okay, कॉर्न मतलब मकई, कॉर्न और शुगर केन की हैवी सैक्स उठाता था. And when in exams or in tests, you will not write only corn and sugarcane. If you write only corn, then means you your half marks will be deducted. Okay, so corn and sugarcane. Okay, number 3 is Gupu set off towards the city of, which city? City of Mumbai. Okay, not in city of Kolkata, but city of Mumbai. गुप्पू सेट ऑफ मतलब चलना शुरू किया, सेट ऑफ टुवर्ड्स द सिटी ऑफ मुंबई. यस. नंबर 4, ऑल 4 एनिमल्स रीच्ड. कहां पहुंचे 4 एनिमल्स? आवर 4 एनिमल्स रीच्ड द हाउस विद अ लाइट. एक हाउस पे पहुंचे, यहाँ पे लाइट जल रही थी, यहाँ जिसमें लाइट थी. ठीक है, विद अ लाइट, हाउस विद अ लाइट. बेटा हाउस विद लाइट, हाउस विद अ लाइट. ज्योत्सना मिश्रा, please take care of these things. Okay, how to write the correct answer in right manner. Okay, just see. Okay, then true false were there. In part B, true false are there. Yes, number 1 is Gupu was going to Kolkata to be a musician. So this is false. They were not going to Kolkata, they were going to Mumbai. So it is false. ये गलत है. This is false. Okay बेटे, you have to write true or false, not tick cross. ये नहीं कि आप tick cross कर दो. This way you will commit a mistake and marks will be deducted for this. Don't write only F or T. No, whatever instruction is given on the top, here on the top I have written state whether the given statements are true or false. ठीक है, मैंने बोला true है कि false है. And if true you will write true, if false you will write false. You will not put a tick, you will not put a cross, you will not write only T, you will not write only F. Okay, you will not write yes, you will not write no, not like this. जो मैम ने ऊपर बोला है, the same thing you will write. Okay, ma'am has written true or false. So what will you write? True or false? Okay, same words you will use. You will not use different words. This way you will have the habit of following the instructions. Instructions को कैसे follow करना है, ये ध्यान रखा करिए. Okay. Yes. Then at number 2, what is the sentence? Dupu was also going with Gupu to Mumbai. Dupu भी गुप्पू के साथ मुंबई जा रहा था. So this is true. Dupu the dog जो था वो भी मुंबई जा रहा था गुप्पू के साथ. अगर यहाँ पे कोलकाता होता तो ये भी false हो जाता. ठीक है, but here it is return to Mumbai. मुंबई जा रहा था डुप्पू गुप्पू के साथ, means this is true statement. Number 3, people inside the house, घर के अंदर, thought that, उन्होंने सोचा that ghosts had come to scare them, कि उनको डराने के लिए भूत आए हैं. So here the statement is true. Yes, they thought like this. The people inside the house thought like this. And when they heard the song of those animals, they ran out of the house as fast as they could. जितनी जल्दी वो भाग सकते थे उतनी जल्दी घर से बाहर भागे वो. So this statement is true. Okay, then take the correct option is there. The name of the cat was, the name of the cat was Furry. Yes, very nice. Gupu is there, Dupu is there, Furry is there, but Furry is the right answer. And then next is Gupu, Dupu and Furry saw a table. टेबल विद गुप्पू डुप्पू और फरी ने एक टेबल देखा. क्या था उस टेबल में? फूड था, बॉल थी कि रबर था? यस, इट वाज फूड. वेरी नाइस. दे सॉ अ टेबल, they saw a table with food and they were very hungry, so they decided to get into the house. So next is donkey worked for many years for her. donkey ने कितने साल तक किसके लिए काम किया? वर्कर, फार्मर के लिए, डॉक्टर के लिए और टीचर के लिए? यस, फॉर फार्मर. ओके, सो ही यूज्ड टू कैरी द sacks of corn and sugar cane from the farm to the factory. Okay, so students, this is all for today's teaching. So if you have any query, you can ask me. I am giving you 5 minutes for that. Thank